What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. My microphone showed that it was very loud, but welcome to a new video on Sui. I covered this yesterday, and we have been very bullish. Yesterday I was bullish, all right. So I was right, I guess you could say. But yesterday, I mean, my price target was like 75 cents, which we absolutely blew through. But yeah, has been super bullish. We'll take a look at it in this video. We'll talk about whether it can rally even higher and break above 90 cents here, which is the main resistance level. And in general, what to expect, and also some trade opportunities, which, by the way, I don't do this often, but sometimes I like to give myself a little bit of a promo. This call was given in the Signal group and the premium group. All right, so if you don't know, there I share all of my trades. And this trade setup, like we went long on Sui right here at like 65 cents yesterday, so it was a great trade. You can also check out my X. I mean, I also posted it there when it was still at 70 cents. All right. So if you'd be interested in that, results are good, then consider joining. But that's up to you. All right. Now let's focus on Sui. So Sui has been ridiculously strong. I mean, I covered it yesterday already. I mean, yesterday there was some positive news. Right, so that Sui would get its own private trust on Grayscale. So basically that more institutional investors would get access to it. And also that there was some sort of interest in that. But back then it was still, like here you can see it on Grayscale. Back then it was still very small, I believe. So here you can see the Sui trust. It's still like the AUM, the assets under management, hasn't changed. But no, has been bullish. I mean, I must say, if you know the history of Sui, it's a decent network, all right, but there's not a ton of activity, and it does have a bit of a history of manipulation, all right. So I would be like, I think this move, you can also see like Sui, Sei, Tia, and Injective usually move together. So that narrative is doing quite well here, but you can also see that there's a lot of volume coming from sources, which I would say are a little bit shady, all right? So be careful with Sui, all right? I think we're very bullish, but it's going to be tough to break through 90 cents. I don't expect us, at least not initially, to break through 90 cents, right? It's a very strong resistance level there. If we check out the momentum for Sui, give me a moment. My internet is a little bit weak today. I'm not sure what's going on. But no, I mean, what you need to break through that level is you need a bullish market, first of all, which we had yesterday. So that worked in our favor. But you also need a lot of momentum. And if you look at Sui right now, yesterday we had a ton of momentum. But what you can see right now is that the momentum is kind of topping out, all right? So the momentum growth isn't as strong anymore. And that together with the price plateauing here, the RSI being ridiculously high, makes me think that, all right, well, yes, we can get into 90 cents here, but from there I do expect resistance. All right, and if then, I mean, obviously, like if we break above 90 cents, I would still buy, or I would buy again, but I don't expect that. All right, if Bitcoin becomes very bullish, then we can, but given the momentum we have right now and given the technicals, I would say it's more likely that we will get there, find resistance, and then find support again right here at 78 and 75 cents, consolidate on top of that, and then from that level, after getting that rejection, if from that level we actually regain momentum again, then we can break above that later, all right, and rally up to like 1.15. So it is a possibility, but I am bullish on Sui, right? I don't expect us to have a massive crash here. It's always a possibility, but I don't expect it. But I do think the resistance level, which we're going towards right now, is going to provide the resistance, at least initially. And then after that, depending on how we will find support and if we actually gain new momentum from that support, we can either break out above that or we'll just consolidate and slowly drop back down towards 60 cents again. We will see. I will keep you updated on that. For now, if you do have any questions, let me know. Like I said, if you're interested in trade setups, consider joining our groups. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.